Hello students, good morning. Welcome to the class 11th, Microeconomics chapter 8, Producers Equilibrium. Before it, we have discussed about the concepts of cost and concepts of revenue. Today we will discuss the Producers Equilibrium. As you know that a consumer will gets its maximum satisfaction at the point of equilibrium. Likewise, the producer will also get satisfaction by acquiring maximum profit. That is, how much units he has to produce so that he will get the maximum profit, and below that unit he will not produce because he will get less profit, and after that unit he will also not produce because he will incur loss by increasing costs. That is why it is necessary to discuss the concepts of producers equilibrium, that when a producer will get maximum satisfaction and how much quantity he has to produce so that he will get maximum satisfaction, that is maximum profit. The producer will satisfy when he will get maximum profit. There are two approaches through which we can arrive at the producer's equilibrium. Number one, the TRTC approach, and number two, MRMC approach. Here we will consider the market condition of perfect competitive market. Perfectly competitive market, that is perfect competition market, in which the price is constant, there is no increase or decrease in the price of the commodity. So this equilibrium condition will be considered under the perfectly competitive market with the help of TRTC approach and MRMC approach. Let us consider first the TRTC approach. Under TRTC approach, the consumer will get maximum satisfaction when he will get maximum profit, and he will acquire the equilibrium. Number one condition, the difference between TR and TC is maximum, and number two condition, profits fall when one more unit of output is produced. पहला कंडीशन है कि जब TR टोटल रेवेन्यू और टोटल कॉस्ट में डिफरेंस अधिक होगा, और दूसरा कंडीशन है उसके बाद अगर प्रोड्यूसर मैक्सिमम यूनिट प्रोड्यूस करता है तो उसकी प्रॉफिट जो है घटने लगेगी. ये TRTC अप्रोच का कंडीशन है. दूसरा MRMC अप्रोच में क्या होता है, MR इज इक्वल टू MC. जब मार्जिनल रेवेन्यू और मार्जिनल कॉस्ट दोनों एक दूसरे के बराबर होंगे तब प्रोड्यूसर मैक्सिमम सेटिस्फैक्शन मिलेगा उसे, और उसका प्रॉफिट मैक्सिमाइजेशन होगा और वह इक्विलिब्रियम कंडीशन को अटेन करेगा. दूसरा कंडीशन MRMC अप्रोच में है कि MC इज ग्रेटर देन MR आफ्टर इक्विलिब्रियम, और जैसे ही वह इक्विलिब्रियम के बाद कोई कमोडिटी प्रोड्यूस करता है, एक्स्ट्रा यूनिट प्रोड्यूस करता है, तो उसके बाद प्रोड्यूस करते ही मार्जिनल रेवेन्यू से मार्जिनल कॉस्ट अधिक हो जाएगा. तो ये दो कंडीशंस हैं जब प्रोड्यूसर्स इक्विलिब्रियम अटेन करता है TRTC अप्रोच से एंड MRMC अप्रोच से. With the help of this diagram, we can see how at what point the producer is getting its equilibrium condition. Here, at this point, TRTC is equal. At this point, TRTC is equal, but producer will not produce this much amount of commodity and this much amount of commodity. At this point, this much amount of commodity will be produced by the producer, because at this point TR and TC, the difference between TR and TC is maximum, At this point it is equal, and at this point here this is difference is maximum, and here the profit is also maximum. Profit is at its top position. So this position will be produced by the producer. According to the schedule, when the producer will produce 8 units of commodity, he will get the maximum satisfaction, that is equilibrium condition. If he will produce 7 units of commodity, then he will also get the same profit, but that profit is as equal to the 8 units of the commodity, but at that point the marginal revenue is less and marginal cost is greater. At the point of it, both are MR and MC are equal, so he will produce 8 units of the commodity, and so the producer will get maximum satisfaction at the point of this maximum profit, and TRTC is gap is maximum. And MRMC approach, here MR and MC is the increasing MC from below. If MR is intersected, then at that point the producer will get the maximum satisfaction. Here in some books it is given that MC is intersecting MR curve at 2 points, that is at here and here, but the profit maximization condition will be here. It is not here, because at this point the producer is producing a few commodity. At this point producer is producing maximum commodity. After this point there is a possibility to decrease the cost, and after this point the producer, if he is going to produce, then marginal cost is going to increase. That is why he will produce at this amount of output. So both the conditions of the MRMC approach and TRTC approach will satisfy at the point 8 units of producing output. In this way we have completed the producer's equilibrium in case of perfectly competitive market. Next day we will consider the producer equilibrium under the market condition of the monopoly and monopolistic competition market. How the producer will get the maximum profit and equilibrium condition will be attained in monopoly and monopolistic competition. Rest is well. Thank you.